Hello and welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to convert a normal video into a cartoon video. So this is going to be relatively quick. All you need to do is access this site right here, Unboring AI video. This is the one that you're going to click on. And now once we're inside the prompt here, we can now freely create our video. So how do you do that? You scroll down and click this one that says try it out. All you need to do is click the cross icon here. And now just go ahead and choose whatever video you'd like to convert into cartoons. So I'm going to pick this one right here. And just click done. And it's uploading. This will be really quick, and there you have it. Now you have a video converted into cartoon. So I hope this topic is of any help for you guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Tricks Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.